Hello and welcome to Roos Group. A while back we shared with you that we have become agents for Metabo, and today we'd like to share with you what we do and what range of Metabo machines we keep. So let's get into it. Metabo South Africa has made us an authorized preferred supplier in the Pietermaritzburg area. That is because we have unique experience in the woodworking industry, since we sell a whole lot of other woodworking equipment. But we've had a lot of customers asking us for a range of machinery that is, first of all, single phase 220 volt and more your hobby range kind of machines, but still maintaining the quality of the machines that we normally supply. That is why we chose Metabo. And you may have seen a cupboard like this before, or a display cabinet like this before in a lot of different shops, whether it be a hardware shop or somewhere else. That is standard stock for them. But most likely you've never seen this kind of stock. Your bandsaws, your miter saw, your big miter saws, a thickness planer. We normally keep the surface thickness combination machine, your skill saws, the more industrial ones, all kinds of machines that you normally wouldn't find in other shops, but we keep them. We try to keep them in stock as much as we can. If you don't have an item in stock that you need, normally we can get it for you within 1 or 2 days, depending on stock availability in South Africa. But like I said already, we want to keep everything in stock for you. Why? So that you can feel the machine, you can see the machine. We set it up for you. You can feel how rigid they are, the kind of quality they are. Then as well, we have set up our shop in such a way that you can test every machine. Every machine can be tested, whether it's a grinder or a hand tool, to your bigger machines. This machine's got a beautiful laser. Beautiful cut. You can experience the machine, and that's the difference. So now that you know what the setup is here at Roos Group, I'd love for you to come and visit us. We can test machines with you. If you're interested in something, don't be shy. We freely share our knowledge with you as well. If you're not sure how to do a certain project, we can tell you which tool is best to use.